G'day, Darko here from Traveller Caravans, and here we are with the all-new track destination 15-foot caravan. Let's go have a look around. Aside from the semi-off-road suspension, the track model features a few other upgrades, featuring a DO35 Cruisemaster hitch and a toolbox. The other features are as standard across the range, including a jockey wheel with a double wide clamp for added safety. There is an A-frame tap with a tap guard and two 9-kilo gas bottles. Every Traveller Caravan is fitted off with a straight-through tunnel boot lined with ABS plastic. Inside, we have a few utilities and tools such as a jack, cross-rim wrench, and your winder for your stabiliser that leaks. We also have a hose that connects directly to your bayonet right here, and here is just your DO35 pin for your hitch. All Traveller chassis are Alco made with Australian-made steel, 6-inch A-frame, straight through to a 6-inch chassis. Over here, we have an externally mounted water pump to reduce noise levels for your creature comforts. Every track semi-off-road model is fitted off with a double step to make it easier to get in and out of your van. As a standard, they come with 16-inch black rims with all-terrain tyres and an Alco Enduro X suspension with independent shockers, twin on both sides. It comes with the standard mud flap, hardened ABS wheel box and ABS plastic wheel spats. Now, a really cool feature about the Traveller Caravans is this outdoor entertainment hatch. It features a 24-inch smart TV, external speakers, a fold-out picnic table, magazine pouches, LED strip lighting, a wireless charger, cabinet space for whatever else you might want. And as a standard, we're featuring this dual hob Dometic cooktop, which also transfers over into a grill. As a standard, all Traveller Caravans come with a premium Dometic awning, charcoal with black hardware, super easy to set up and pack up. Looking at the back of our caravan over here, as a standard we have a Safety Dave reversing camera and our spare wheel is mounted on the rear wall. We have a 2-arm black painted bumper bar. Another new feature on our caravans is this new LED tech tail light. It comes with sequential indicators and a really cool design for your stop and tail lights. From a structural standpoint, every single Traveller Caravan comes as a standard with composite fiberglass sandwich panel, featuring 3M Dynoc vinyl wrapping to give it a nice and seamless look without any joins. Also as a standard, we have an instantaneous hot water service and a second battery. Now, every Traveller Caravan comes with a lithium battery as a standard. The track models come with 2, giving it a total of 250 amp hours of power. All our windows are low profile and aluminium framed. Now, the Alco Enduro X suspension is an independent suspension featuring twin shockers on either side of the caravan. It is one of the best in Alco's range. Before we go inside, it's also worth mentioning that all Traveller Caravans as a standard have an annex light. The 15-foot layout features an east-west queen-size bed with an inner spring mattress. It has a robe on one side, it has ample overhead storage with hidden latches, it has a TV point on this side, and it also has 2 reading lights on either side of the bed that have USB ports for convenient charging. It also features head bumpers all around for your added safety. Now, over in our kitchen, we have this modern design black range hood with a full display at the front. We have a 3 gas, 1 electric, dual fuel mini grill, which is recessed into the bench top, so it looks nice and smart. On the bottom over here, we have a 23-litre flatbed microwave. What that means is the microwave has no glass plate for easy travel. The dining area features an L-shaped lounge with a nice and spacious table for your convenience. Looking at our ceiling, we have a 700 by 500mm skylight with LED lights. In the middle of our caravan, we have a 3.5 kilowatt inverted Gree aircon. Now, this unit is amazing. It will cool down or heat up your van extremely quickly, and it features an app which you can use when you're off-site, fishing, doing whatever else, and cool down your van in no time. Moving over here, we have a 200-litre compressor Dometic fridge and freezer combo. We have the freezer on top, fridge on the bottom. Ample storage space, and it will work off your solar and off your battery. Another cool feature about our caravans, aside from having a fire extinguisher and a photoelectric 10-year lithium battery smoke alarm as a standard, we also have a fire blanket and a first aid kit. Moving to the back of the van, we have our ensuite, which is separated by a sliding door. Just going to latch this in, bolt it in. We're featuring a Dometic toilet and cassette, spacious bench and a basin. All the overheads have mirrors and, again, hidden latches. On this side of the caravan, we have our shower, which has a frosted glass, and depending on which colour layout of the van you selected, it will either have a silver or black frame on the shower, including the shower rose. Over here, we have our Intelli RV projector charging system. Extremely simple to use, 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth capability, 30 amp charging system under the bed. Fantastic, simple to use.